How to solve cellular connection issue detected on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can solve cellular connection issue detected on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply swipe down from the top right corner. Now, if you guys didn't know, your cellular data sometimes does not work due to your Wi-Fi being connected. If your Wi-Fi is connected, your device gives more priority to your Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi works and your cellular data does not at that period of time. So if that's the case, just turn off your Wi-Fi and simply leave your mobile data or your cellular data on and check if your problem has been fixed. After doing that, the second thing that you can do is you can eject your SIM card. Now, this is a really simple fix. All you have to do is eject your SIM card and put it right back in. After you do that, your cellular connection will reset or reconnect, and after that, your connection might not be facing any issue. Now, the third fix here is head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down. There you'll find General. Tap on General, and after you're here, scroll down all the way. There you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on Reset. After you tap on Reset Network Settings. After you reset your network settings, your device will restart once, and after you restart your device once, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.